Hi, Pete Wolfkamp, resident builder. And while I love building, I also really enjoy essentially doing some crafting, doing some upcycling. And one of my recent projects has been to make a Kubb set. What I needed was some old, hefty pieces of timber that I'd collected. Then I needed to clean them up before they look like this finished item here. Great tool to use to get rid of some of the nails and so on is a multi-tool with a bimetal blade in it. Once I've finished dimensioning the timber, what I really need to do is make it smooth. Random orbital sander is the perfect tool for that. I've got a little bit of decoration to do on them as well. That's my next task. If I change the blade here and go for a wood cutting blade, I can use this to make maybe a crenellation or like a crown on some of these characters as well. So a little bit more work for me to do.